Alright guys, there were several of you that said you needed to add the 70 tank from the Mustang onto your Sweptline truck also. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to put the Go-Go Juice reservoir on the truck here. This tank is from a 1970 Mustang. A lot of guys said to use like a 69 Mustang tank, but that one's like 17 gallons. This is 22 gallons, so going with the bigger one here. I'm gonna put it on here. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere anyways. That's good. Now let's see if we did it right. The Go-Go Juice reservoir. Look at that, slides right in there.
We'll put 2 new holes here to hold the bracket to the frame.
Perfect. So when you run out of gas, you can just take your bolts out, carry your tank to the gas station. 22 gallon tanks, they'll last about 30 miles.
300 miles an hour.
At 300 miles per hour. She's got a Hemi.
Not.
That one's gonna be difficult to drill. Is there not one on this side?
That's weird.
They're in different spots, huh?
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's Ford for you.
Built tough. Well, probably on the car, it's probably got holes on the frame.
It goes in the trunk.
Hmm.
It's just in the trunk floor.
We already looked at it with the bed on it. It's gonna be hidden. Put it on the wrong side.
I didn't make this. That's what it's made. Ford did it. Hey, look at that.
It's Ford's fault. Fuel line should be over here. Oh, where's the fuel line gotta go?
Got to come down along the frame. Somehow, we gotta get through here, probably. Come across the backside and 90 it down. The fuel outlet comes over this way.
It goes this way. That's gonna be weird.
Yeah.
Interesting, that's on the bottom.
Yeah. Most of them on top.
So guys, we got some parts for sale. If you guys have a Sweptline truck that you're building, need some parts, this whole bed is gonna be for sale. We're gonna have to ruin it unless one of you guys have the caps on the end of the bed for sale, because the ones on the short bed, as you can see, they are terrible. Already have Bondo filled up in there, but this is not for sale. But we're gonna replace these with these ones here, unless you guys have something better for sale, like I said. But this bed, it's pretty Swiss cheese like most of these trucks. In the corners there, as you can see, it's not in the best shape, but the bed sides are decent for sure. The hood and fenders right here, they're not for sale, but I mean, if you needed a straight axle possibly, or I mean a frame, some steel wheels, 8 lug. But there's also some more parts down here yonder on this red truck. Like this complete truck, it would be for sale, or it is for sale if you all want it. I mean, for a right price. It has no title, but great parts on it. But this beast right here, she's a beauty. I mean, that's a solid hood right there. Good fenders on it. Core support's not in the best shape. Better than the one that was originally on my dad's truck. That's a good fender there. Doors, old style mirrors. I know I like these mirrors. My dad doesn't like them, but those are in decent shape. I believe it's got a Dana 60 rear end under it. If you guys are interested in Dana 60, there she is. I mean, look at that. That's gonna be a burnout machine right there. This bumper, it's in okay shape. We might try and use that one actually. Got some fenders here. Dodge D-100 badge. I think only got one of them. That's a decent fender. Do have a grill there. What kind of shape she's in? She's not in the best shape. I don't know if anybody would want that. I mean, right price though, I mean, cheap enough. You can have that. Got some cool doors here. If you're from Missouri, you could do a patina look with that. Missouri Safety Center. Then it says Fire 1. There's another straight axle there. Be good for a trailer or something if you wanted to build one. Or even if you wanted to make a gasser. You can make a gasser. That's a solid hood. It's got a little dent there. Somebody shot her with a BB gun. Cool green color there. That's gonna be pretty similar to the color of the truck that we're gonna be painting. But I got this door here. Matching set of mirrors, like I said, those are pretty cool. Those could clean up nicely. But this door's in decent shape. Little rust hole right there, that's very common. Rockers on this truck are solid. I mean, very nice rockers. Gas cap, sell that to you for let's say 481 cents, and it's yours. Fits nice. Seat, you guys need a seat? I mean, what's in here that's good? I don't know. If you guys see any parts that you're interested in, just leave it down in the comments below. We'll shoot you a price. Headlight rings. I mean, all kinds of goodness. I mean, even that little thing there, that's in good shape. Solid camper shell. If you need a camper shell for, you know, you're trying to look like, what, farm truck off Street Outlaws. I mean, that's what this truck looks like. Oh, but yeah, here's another hood, a white hood. That one's actually in really good shape. That's a solid hood right there. Oh, there's a little dent there they can't really see probably on camera, but other than that, this one's in good shape. No Dodge lettering on any of these hoods. Don't know what's up with that. Oh, do have another one of those badges, so there is two of them. It's got that trim. Pretty solid actually, not bad. That's why they're called a Sweptline, if you didn't know. Yeah guys, a lot of solid parts. If you guys have a Sweptline truck you're trying to build, got most of the trim, just missing the front off the passenger fender here. Well, I thought we were missing that piece of trim, but actually got the complete set. I think that's what that is right there. Maybe she's short, I don't know. Well, it's got about 97% of the trim if you're interested in that. I don't know what this bad boy is. All kinds of goodies. And jack, original. You want that? That'd be cool to have. Got several of those. I mean, the floorboards are solid in this truck. I mean, solid. That's just for That's called AC right there. Keep you cool. But yeah, it has a straight axle under it. It's got the original leaves in there. I believe it's actually even has the, get this open, good quality 318 there. Hasn't been started in probably who knows how many years. Love the rag there covering the carburetor. But yeah, if you need a 318, got the original radiator there. Good quality snail horn. That snail horn probably has a good tone to her. That's a good $5 bill right there. Motor oil 10W30 tripartite. What does that say? Tripartite. I don't know what's up with that, but inside of these fenders are solid. Don't look like they're rusting out any. Yeah. If you need a motor for your build or just interested in that, that could be something you could have for sure. It has no brake booster. Oh, that's because it don't have power brakes or anything. Dang hood. Well, tons of parts. But yeah, that's a quality machine right there. Pretty sunset back there. Yeah, like I said, that truck has no title, but solid parts if you need it. If you want to buy it entirely, you could. For the right price, anything's for sale. Even the truck we're working on, for the right price, she's for sale. My beautiful boat there. She's got a 1963 Evinrude that hardly runs. That's for sale too. I think something to do with the going down to the props messed up. I don't know. I don't know anything about boats, but bust out another 1,000. A few more parts. This tailgate's not for sale. Gonna make a bench out of that. But this door here, solid door, little rust hole starting in that corner, but other than that, this one's in really good shape. Pretty chrome there. Good looking mirror. Here's a matching door to the other one I showed you all. And then there's this here gold one here. She's in a solid shape too. All of them have glass, not cracked. I mean, we got parts galore, I'm telling you. Well guys, we didn't do too much to the build today. We just got that tank in. I wanted to show you guys exactly what we're doing to get it in there. Like I said, it's from a 1970 Mustang. It's the 22-gallon tank versus the other guys were saying you use a 69 tank, which is a 17-gallon tank. Why not get more go-go juice in your system? I don't know. But if you guys want any of these parts or interested in anything else that was not shown, just comment down below, shoot us an offer on pricing, whatever. But yeah, got a lot of stuff. Thanks for watching, and if you're not subscribed, you better subscribe, because why would you? It'd be awful nice. Go Dodge.